what you think about that coffee shop this morning?
You definitely hooked me up. I think I might go back, for real.
Yeah, man, I've been going to that coffee shop since I was in high school. Me and the son owner, we used to go to high school together.
Yeah, that's crazy. So, hey, what's your plan this afternoon?
I gotta go to the library for the research paper. Hey, did you start yours yet?
No, not really. I'm not quite sure where to begin. I have to interpret the function of marriage in modern society. Something about whether it's an outdated institution. There's a lot of information, and I need to cite reliable sources.
Yeah, I need to cite source too. My topic is on whether American public education system maintains class division rather than support critical thinking. Hey, we should go to the Laney Library information desk. The librarian there, they helped me with my last paper so much. They showed me how to search using the library's database. They got books, articles. There was even a video on my topic.
Really? I thought Google was enough.
Google's okay, but the library database, it has scholarly sources that the professors want. Plus, the librarian, it showed me how to search strategies like keywords and filters. I just made an appointment with the librarian today on my citation paper, and I'm almost done with it.
Wow. But with my work and class schedule, it's hard for me to get to the library. They could help me out on Zoom though, right?
Yeah, the librarian, they can meet with you online. They're real easy to talk to, and they want students to succeed. Just go up to the info desk at the library, say you want some help with your research, and they'll walk you through the rest.
Guarantee. I guess we got our plan for the day.
Yeah.
Hello, can you tell me what your assignment prompt is?
Yes, I need to interpret the function of marriage in a modern society.
What sources have you used so far?
I haven't had any sources lately. I've been using Google, but there's no luck.
And are you familiar with the library databases?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to take you and show you to our library databases. So can you remind me what your prompt was again?
I'm looking for the public education system to see whether it maintains class division rather than support critical thinking.
Okay. So I'm just going to walk you through and we're going to find the particles along your topic, okay? You can grab the mouse right there. So in this page, I want you to click on library databases. So we have 12 results. So why don't we click on the first title, okay? And so we're going to scroll down, okay? I'm Reginald Constant, Laney Public Services Librarian. A librarian is available to help you at our reference desk during normal business hours. If you can't make it in person, you can go to our website, laney.edu/library, to schedule an online research appointment with one of our librarians via Zoom. See you at the library.